Good morning, class 12. Dear student, topic probabilities continue. Exercise 13.4. Subtopic is probability distribution. So, question number 1. Question is, state which of the following are not the probability distribution of random variable. Give reason for your answer. In the first part, the random variable that is 0, 1, 2 and the corresponding probability it is 0.4, 0.4 and 0.2. Dear student, to check this distribution is correct or not, so we will see sum of all the probabilities. If this sum is 1, then probability distribution is correct. And another thing, the probability should not be more than 1 and should not be negative. So no probability is negative and their sum is 1. So this is 3 here. 0.4 plus 0.4 plus 0.2 is 1. And random variable is 0, 1, 2. So it is also correct. Hence this distribution is correct. Dear student, in the second part, this probability is negative. So this division is not correct. Then in the third part, the sum of all these probability is not equal to 1. If we get the sum of all these, so it is 0.9, not equal to 1. So this distribution is also wrong. And in the fourth part, the sum is more than 1. This sum is 1 and this is extra. 0.3, 0.2 is 0.5, 0.4, 0.9 and 0.1 is 1. So this is also not correct. Here sum of all the probability is more than 1. So this distribution is also wrong. So only first part is correct and others are wrong. Now, question number 2. Question is, an urn contains 5 red and 2 black balls. 5 red and 2 black balls. Two balls are drawn at random. Let X represent the number of black balls. What are the possible values of X? So dear student, the possible value of X 0, 1, 2 means no black ball, 1 black ball and 2 black balls. Is X is a random variable? So answer is yes, since we can find the probability distribution and random variable is 0, 1, 2. Now question 3. Question is, let X represent the difference between the number of heads and number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed 6 times. What are the possible values of X? So here X there will be 6 heads, there will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and no head, 0. Then tails, no tail where all heads, 1 tail, 2 tail, 3 tail, 4 tail, 5 tail and 6 tail. Let us find the difference. So difference is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 4, 2, 0. There is also 2, 4, 6. So random variable x is 6, 4, 2, 0. That is the difference between number of heads and number of tails. So random variable, that is 6, 4, 2, 0. Now, next is question number 4. Find the probability distribution of number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. A coin is tossed 2 times. So random variable 0, 1, 2. If we discuss the sample space for this, then it is tail tail, head tail, tail head, and head head. Now find the probability distribution. So probability distribution Px is when there is no head, so only 2 tails, it is 1 by 4. When one head, it is 2 by 4, and both heads, it is 1 by 4. There is 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. And their sum is 1, so distribution is correct. Now the second part of question 4. Question is the number of tails in simultaneous tosses of 3 coins. If 3 coins are tossed, then sample space all tails, 2 tails, 1 head, 2 head, 1 tail, and all heads. Now, if we talk about the random variable for this, there is 0, 1, 2, 3. Means no tail, 1 tail, 2 tail, and 3 tails. Now, corresponding probability, it is 1 by 8. This is the case. 3 tails. The one means 1 tail. This is 3 cases. So 3 by 8, 2 tails, 3 by 8, and 1 tail. Oh, sorry, 3 tails. So it is 1 by 8. Means all the coins showing tails, it means 3 tails. So it is only the one case, that is like probability is 1 by 8. So this is the probability distribution when 3 coins are tossed and coming tail is considered as the success. Now question number 5. Question is find the probability distribution of number of success in 2 tosses of a die, where success is defined as, in the first part, number greater than 4. Number greater than 4. So probability P P, probability of success. Number given 4 are 5 and 6. So probability of success is 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. Now, a die is tossed 2 times. So S is random variable 0, 1. Probability of not success Q, it is 1 minus P or it is 2 by 3. Now, Px, when we are not getting the success in both the chance. So 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Here we are getting the success only one time. So it is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. Then we are getting success in both the times. So it is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So probability distribution becomes 4 by 9. Then it is 4 by 9 and it is 1 by 9. That is the probability distribution. Second part. 6 appears at least one die. 6 appears on at least one die. Dear student, when we toss a die twice, we will get 36 pieces. There are 36 sample points and there are the 11 cases in which we will get the 6 at least once. There are 11 cases, we can see like that. 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6, 6 6. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4 and 6 5. 6 6 will not be repeated. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there are the 11 cases. Now, random variable x is 0 and 1 and the corresponding probability 0 means we are not getting 6 at or any of the die. So it is 25 cases. 36 minus 11 is 25. So corresponding probability 25 upon 36. This is the case when we are not getting the 6. Now the probability is when the 6 appears at least one die. So it is 11 upon 36. So this is the probability distribution of the case when 6 appears at least one die.